Now you gotta do it that way. There. Nope. Kick it that way. There you go. Oh, good girl. Good shot. Forward. Good girl.
This is the mains. That's where she started. And you can see she has not come across any dead ends yet. But she may fall for this one.
Okay, what's going to happen with this corner, Tess? We got to get it going that way.
Follow the trail.
Well, come on. Forward. That was pretty good. That you only moved it a little bit, though. Okay, give it a good kick. Better. You're getting it.
You're getting it, Tess. Don't fall for the last one, though. Don't fall for the last one, though.
Okay, that was good, Tess. See, if I was riding her, then I could turn her body so she'd, be facing the right way.
As you can see, there's a trail. Right now, the ball's on the trail, but it got kicked off. So let's just watch and see what happens.
Do it again. Oh, good. Now we got to...
Almost fell for it.
Good girl.
Not quite.
Good girl. You made it.
Did she make it?
One more
Not
shot.
yet.
One more shot. She was trying to pick it up with her foot in her mouth. Give it a good kick. Almost.
Just get it through these two pulls, and you got it.
One,
1, 2.
Yay! You made it.
Woohoo! Yay!